In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first Squarespace site in 2025. Whether you're looking to set up a personal blog or launch an online store, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started by creating a Squarespace account. To do this, head over to the Squarespace website and click on Sign Up. You'll need to enter some basic information such as your email address and create a password. After setting this up, you'll have full access to Squarespace's impressive suite of tools and features. Once your account is active, you'll need to select a subscription plan that aligns with your website goals. Squarespace offers several options, so consider whether you need a plan for just a personal site or a more comprehensive one that supports an online store. Take a moment to review the details of each plan to ensure it fits your needs. Now let's click on the Create Website button. You'll find this option in your Squarespace dashboard, as this action will kickstart the process of building your new site. Once you select this option, you'll be guided through a prompt designed to help set up your website efficiently. Follow these prompts carefully because they are tailored to streamline your experience, especially if it's your first time building a site. Next, you'll have the choice of building your website from scratch or selecting a template. Squarespace provides a wide variety of templates tailored to different types of websites, whether you're an artist, a designer, or an entrepreneur. If you're new, I recommend starting with a template as it offers a ready-made structure, making it easier to visualize your content. Click to browse the available templates and take your time to select one that fits your vision and branding. If you've decided on a template, click on Start with this design. This will make a copy of the template that you can customize to suit your needs. Once the website shell is created, take a moment to explore your new site. Click on Website in the control panel to open your site's configuration settings. From here, you'll click on Edit to modify your site structure. This is your opportunity to define how visitors will navigate your site by adding and organizing pages. For instance, you may want key pages like Home, About, and Contact to be easily accessible. Now it's time to add content using Squarespace's block system. Blocks allow you to insert text, images, videos, forms, and more. Simply drag and drop these blocks onto your page to construct your content layout. Finally, customize the design and style of your site. Squarespace provides design tools to adjust fonts, color schemes, and other stylistic elements. You can ensure your website matches your brand's aesthetics. Depending on your website's purpose, there might be specific features you'll need to configure. Whether it's setting up a blog or e-commerce capabilities, Squarespace makes it straightforward to tailor these functionalities. And there you have it. You've successfully created the foundation for your first Squarespace site. With these steps completed, you're well on your way to sharing your new platform with the world. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Squarespace journey.